Back today with a brand new 704 gear button lock knife, the mid-size Dynamo. The Dynamo is going to measure 2.7 inch blade length and a very compact overall length for a really nice discreet pocket carry, yet large enough to be a good full-size pocket knife that you can get some heavy-duty tasks accomplished. This one is actually featuring the high-vis green G10, perfect for a lot of different applications where you may drop your knife into the grass or in the woods on camping trips, and both of the models are going to feature that button lock design, ball bearing action, and 14C 28N steel with the stonewash finish. Blacked out hardware and our brand new 704 gear logo. I also love the fact that you can carry these left and right handed with that reversible clip and thumb studs on either side. The micarta handle features a really nice textured micarta. Again, the stonewash finish on that 14C 28N steel. And both of these are going to be available at 704gear.com and Amazon. More information on the specs and features at 704gear.com, and both of the knives are going to feature that full lifetime warranty and come shipped in the nylon 704 case. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.